Good morning, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a wonderful decadent breakfast, and I found this recipe and it's called carrot cake waffles with maple cream cheese drizzle. Doesn't that sound delicious? It sounds more like dessert than it does breakfast, but we're going to make it. So let's get cooking. I went ahead and prepped a few things. I have a cup of shredded carrots. Watch your knuckles when you're shredding the carrots. And I went ahead and chopped half a cup of pecans. And now we're going to start with the dry ingredients. So I'm using an all-purpose baking mix. This one in particular is from Aldi's. And we want 2 cups of this. And I like to sift my baking flour or baking mix because it just makes it come out fluffier. So we've got 2 cups. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. We're going to take a sip of coffee. And then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We'll just mix these dry ingredients together. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients right into the dry. And it's 1 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk. And 1 egg. And 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I think this is the big difference between pancakes and waffles, is adding the vegetable oil. And just mix this all together. Smells yummy. It smells like carrot cake. Meanwhile, while you're getting the batter ready, you want to get your waffle iron heated up. Now you're going to add in your carrots. Chopped pecans. And another sip of coffee. And give this a stir. The next ingredient you to add is raisins. Now this is optional. If you don't want to put raisins in, you don't have to. But I like to put raisins in my carrot cake. So we're going to put half a cup of raisins. And there you have it. Your batter is done and ready to go on the waffle iron. Now that I have the waffle maker heated, I'm going to give it a little squirt with some spray oil. And then I'm going to scoop in some of the batter right into the waffle maker. The batter is pretty thick, so you want to get in enough here to kind of cover the whole waffle iron. And then you just let that cook for about 6 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, starting now.
The recipe for the cream cheese drizzle calls for an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1 cup of maple syrup. That is a lot. So I'm actually going to do my own little version. I made carrot cupcakes the other day and I had a lot of the frosting left over, the cream cheese frosting. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. But I'll give you the recipe for what they use. You can use that too, but I figured I already had the cream cheese frosting and I'm not going to let this go to waste. So I'm going to use this and drizzle some maple syrup in it and put it in the microwave oven to melt it down, and we'll use that as the drizzle over the waffles. I don't know if you can see the waffles steaming. Let's see how this turns out. So I melted the cream cheese frosting and maple syrup together. And I think that does it just fine. Smells wonderful. You probably want to make sure that you serve this warm so that it doesn't solidify. I'm not sure if it will, but let's see. Oh yes, tastes yummy. Time for some more coffee. You like my mug? Oh, this one's ready. Alexa, turn off alarm. All right, let's see how these look. Ooh, these look wonderful. Hubby says they smell good. Well, these might still need a little more time. Yep, it needs a little more time. So let's put it back on for a couple more minutes. Feel the softness on the bottom. So usually with my waffles, when I use a regular mix, it's 6 minutes and they're done. But I'm thinking because the carrots are in here, that it's giving it more moisture, that it might take a little bit longer. So let's do a couple more minutes and check it out. Okay, I think the waffles are done. Yep, coming off the griddle just fine. Oh, This looks so yummy. Smells delish. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter on here. Lena, you are not getting waffles. No. And then we're going to drizzle a little bit of the cream cheese maple syrup. And I've got some bacon cooking too. So when hubby and I sit down for breakfast, this is what we're having. So here are the waffles. Doesn't it look yummy, yummy, yummy? Now we gotta taste it. Cut a piece. So here we are. Oh, this is really, really good. Hubby's over there like looking at me going, hurry up. This is so delicious. The cinnamon, the carrots, everything is, and the little bits of raisins. Yum. Get a little swallow of coffee here. So I hope you like this recipe. It was easy to make, very delicious, and please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and click on the little bell so you get notification of my next video. Give me some ideas in your comments below as to what you would like for me to try out. I will share this recipe in the description below. Thanks again. Have an awesome day. Bye.